Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to sign out of Walgreens.com. If you want to sign out of your Walgreens account, then first of all, open up a web browser and type in Walgreens.com in the URL box and you'll end up in the home page. Now, click on the profile icon or the username at the top right, and in the expanded menu, look for sign out and click on it. Before signing out, make sure you know your credentials well. After you click on the sign out button, you'll be redirected to the main home page and therefore you are signed out of Walgreens. You can always sign back in using your credential whenever you want. So that was how it is easily done. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.